guys, have you watched the web series quote unquote The Test Case? If not, definitely go and watch that web series after seeing this video. In that web series, Captain Shikha Sharma portrays the role of a struggler, and she finds it extremely difficult to secure a safe position and respect in the combat forces of Indian Army. Yes, today our video is based on the topic Inclusion of Women in Indian Armed Forces, which is an extremely important current affair for your 2020 CU entrance examination. Yes, so let us begin. In fact, to your knowledge, only 3.8% of women officers comprise the entire Indian Army. Yes. In fact, as late as 2008, Permanent Commission was granted to women officers in the branch of Legal and Educational Corps. Before that, only SSC were granted to them. SSC means Short Service Commission, which means a women officer can serve the Indian Armed Forces for a maximum period of 14 years, after which she has to opt for some other job. But in case of Permanent Commission, they will continue till the age of retirement, and they also become eligible for pension. So on this context, let us begin our video. On February 17th, 2020, is a very important day. The Supreme Court said that women officers should also be eligible and considered for granting permanent commission in the Indian Armed Forces. Thereafter, in July 2020, the Army initiated the process to grant permanent commission to short service women officers in 10 different streams of the force. This comes against the backdrop of empowering the women officers in handling larger roles in the armed forces, and the Ministry of Defense issued a formal sanction to this effect. Okay, the 10 streams, now this is very important, the 10 streams of the armed forces in which women have been granted permanent commission in a recent judgment are as follows: Army Air Defense, number 2 Signals, number 3 Engineers, number 4 Electronics and Mechanical Engineers, number 5 Army Aviation, number 6 Army Service Corps, number 7 Army Ordnance Corps, number 8 Intelligence Corps, number 9 Judge Advocate General, which we also call as JAG, and number 10 Army Educational Corps. When it comes to JAG and Army Educational Corps, permanent commissions were granted to women officers since 2008. In November 2020, the decision of the number 5 selection board, this is very important, came out, and around 49% of women officers would continue to serve in the forces as permanent commission. In this respect, standing in today's scenario, this definitely speaks of gender equality in the armed forces, where women will be seen playing important roles in future in the Indian Armed Forces. And note it, this is a very important current affair, and there are high chances of questions being asked from this category. So, and yet another thing I would like to discuss, when it comes to SSC, the maximum age, there is no age, they can serve for a maximum period of 14 years. And when it comes to PC, that is permanent commission, they can serve till the age of their retirement. Okay, so best of luck guys. You guys are preparing very well, very hard, and we are also trying our level best to help you out. Okay, thank you.